Practicing simple, tangible acts of what Buddhism calls benevolence can be life-changing. It's easy, in our frenzied, goal-fixated modern world, to lose sight of the need for deeds. And perhaps reasonably, many, today, are wary of performing kindnesses lest they backfire. But here's a simple exercise that can help you to both slow down and reach out in a safe way. It enables you to do something benevolent, that is, well-meaning and kindly for another soul. And by causing you to reflect, access gratitude, and express warmth or love, it's transformative. Many are amazed at how profoundly this simple, easy exercise can touch and enhance lives. So here it is. Set a period of time, a month or 6 weeks, over which to run the exercise. Then, once a week, write or type a short, sincere message or letter to someone significant. To a family member, a dear friend, your life partner, or a quality colleague you appreciate. The goal is not to produce a literary masterpiece, but simply to express gratitude, or even love. Adjust its tone, language, and level of intimacy as appropriate for each particular recipient. Thus, for a set period, people in your life out of the blue will receive your sincere appreciation. The timing may turn out to be remarkable in terms of their needs, which you are unaware of. And as you give, so shall it be returned to you. So it's not unusual for this practice to trigger surprising emotional wellness, new confidence, or other breakthroughs in you, the doer. This simple exercise delivers a double blessing. Taking up a pen or keyboard in itself slows you down, then it helps you appreciate the people in your life. Imagine writing to a reliable, though underappreciated colleague. "Hey Keith, when I joined the team, you were the one who reached out to me, with warmth and encouragement, and I know emails like this are not a thing anymore. But I just wanted to say, I appreciate your generosity of spirit, awesome work ethic, rock-solid moral compass, and am always touched by the way you look out for everyone in our posse. We're all so very lucky to have you. Thank you, Amy." A few well-chosen, strategically placed emojis or emoticons will help ensure that the recipient totally gets your intended tone and understands where you're coming from. They will most likely be surprised, touched, and grateful. Your act of benevolence may even start a chain reaction, a cascade of kind, positive messages as they pay it forward. And remember this, the first and possibly greatest beneficiary of this benevolent practice is you, because in self-awareness, you're making a thing out of spreading gratitude or love. Imagine what kind of world we'd live in if practices like this went viral and eventually became routine social behavior, considered as worthwhile and normal, as regularly going to the gym.
Planning acts of benevolence sometimes triggers awareness in us of judgments about others. We're surprised to find we have. For more insights into this phenomenon of paradigms, check out episode 5.